Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to separate them this one into about the small piece of law. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about law AB equals to law A plus law B. And the second one, we have log of 8 over b equals to log a minus log b. And the next one, we have log a to the power of b equals to b log a. Now we apply three formulas for this one in here. About this one, we can write about log of fifth root of z minus, because we have the division like this, log of s square plus log of y, because they are multiplied this one in here, similar for this formula in here. Next, this one I can transform the power into z to the power of 1 over 5. Next, 1 over 5, that's about this one. We can put 1 over 5 go outside about the law. Similar for this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.